Good afternoon, folks. You know, I recorded a video. I've been trying to upload it for almost 2 hours now. Is there any other people that have been trying to upload a video that have been having problems with it at all? Am I in a trade? Wouldn't you like to know? This isn't going to be a long stream, actually. A friend of mine has a dentist appointment, and they're getting gassed, and so they need to be picked up in like probably like 30 minutes or an hour. Boy, where do we start? Where do we start? Where do we start? Where do we start? So, you know, in the video that might be uploaded, I've been trying to upload this video for 2 hours, restarting it, redoing it, shutting her down, shutting her up, shutting her down, shutting her up, and it just ain't working. But I kind of go over everything. Can you guys hear me okay? Is the music too loud? Or is it okay? Can you hear me okay? Cool. In the video that maybe hopefully sometime we'll upload, I'll tell you what, we'll start with the 2-day. It's not so often that we get one of these bad boys, one of these green dots on a 2-day. And so if we go through history, first thing I look for is, you know, similar situations, not just the green out, but what was everything else looking like during such time. So, you know, this is the first one we see was, is this similar during which time? Not really, not really. But, you know, that was a bottom, so to speak. Damn, that was a, there was 33% volatility that day, that 2 days, between those 2 days. Wicked. Let's go to the next one. This one, I believe, is much more similar. This one looks much... Let's not draw that. These sick bastards are going to get sick things in their head. This one looks much similar. Much more similar. It was already in the red. The momentum looks similar. Where the RSIs are similar. So what happened here? Price went down 7%. From there, it went up 13%. And then it went down 17%. This is the shittiest one so far. Then went up 43% and then went down another 40%. Hopefully this don't happen. I would say this one would be the next one that's the most similar as far as the RSIs, decreasing money flow. This one, you know, it shot up. Which candle was it? This candle. Okay, so that's good. So it wasn't this candle, so that's good. Went up 57%. So my initial feelings, if this in fact closes, so if it went up, let's just say 50%, that'd be 55K. You know, momentum's still heading down, man. The money flow's still heading down. You know, the question is this gonna turn? Is the flow of money gonna be pumping back in? Is it gonna be pumping back in and just continue and have a blast and just fucking magically blast? The probabilities, the percentages would say no. The history, August 16th, sure. We'll August 16th. What's in August 16th? What year is this? Oh man, you're having us go way back, bro. August 16. All right, well, let's check this one out. That one sucks. That one sucks too. thanks, guy in the chat that told us to look at that one. That one fucking sucks. All right. I believe, let me go to a clear chart. I believe standard technical analysis says after this little head and shoulders play out, take that off. There we go. Now that looks a little more good. That's pretty close. I believe standard technical analysis says that we bounce back up to the neckline and then fall more. Perhaps to the previous highs of like 20,000. You know, but you know what? Who gives a shit about that far ahead? So let's take a look at them now. Take a look at the 6 hour. Actually, the 12 hour. You know, hindsight's always 20/20. But we really do have this. There's 4 yellow X's here, man. The 4 yellow X strategy is real. It's on a 12 hour. If you don't know the 4 yellow X strategy, when there are 4 yellow X's in a sell-off, after the 4th one, we start to look for signs of sell-off exhaustion, meaning that we start to look for indications, waves, VWAPs, RSIs, money flow to start increasing for confirmation of a bottom and long this bitch. Now, this momentum wave this is a fat wave. It is cruising to the upside. The VWAPs seem to be increasing from the tops and the bottoms. So that is in play. Let's maybe scoot over to a slightly lower time frame. So it's on the 8 hour as well. Okay. What about Heiken's? Oh, it's on the Heiken too. Okay. Money flow it is still not confirmed going up from what I can see. Yeah, I saw the Apple news. I thought that was cool. I thought that was bullish for sure. One of the things I say on the video that hopefully uploads is that this isn't really a time where stream trading is a good idea for me, because I trade differently when I stream. When the trade is over, the stream is over, right? like, for example, our last trade, you know, yeah, I was up 200K. I closed at 10K and whoop-de-woo, whoop-de-woo. And I even knew, like, one of the people even said in chat, he's like, dude, like, we knew it was going up. We knew the bulls had some energy coming in. And in this time, you know, Market Cypher is really good at letting us know when it's going to go up and when it's going to go down. But we don't always know, I don't always know the depth and how much it's going to go. Sometimes we do. Sometimes we have a pretty good idea. But especially I feel like times like right now, man, if I'm gonna stream and trade, you know, if I start a stream and I'm in a trade and then I have to get out in 10 minutes, then it'll be a 10-minute stream. I can't be sticking in trades because I'm streaming and having fun. It's not a big deal because I've made my money and I'm fine. And I need some fucking coffee. I'll be right back. All right, coffee is a brewing. What were we talking about? Stream trading, yada yada. So, yeah, it's volatile. Okay, so what do we see here on the 6 hour? So we have the 4 yellow X's in the 8 hour. That's terrific. So we're looking for this puppy to come up. Let's take a look see here at the 6 hour. 6 hour got a little red dot here across the momentum. Maybe pullback chance here. Money seems like it's coming up a little bit. Increasing VWAPs, increasing RSI. So that's bullish, I would say. Let's switch to the log and see what our spiral lines show. Baby! Looks like we're having a little bounce off this Boydie line right there. Little DBSI to the bear side. Let's go to 4. 4 looks pretty. 4 looks nice. The 4 hour looks nice. Like it's a nice curve. That's a nice curvature on the 4 there to the upside. Nice curvature there. Looks like got a little momentum crossing here, so I'm looking for a pullback. If I'm looking too long, I might be in a couple trades. All right, what else are we looking at here? Okay, we're still on Bitcoin on the 3 hour. Overall, nice curvature there on the 3 hour. Beautiful RSI to the upside, momentum to the upside. Yeah. Looks like momentum, this wave might be curving, might be clipping. Same with the VWAP. I think the price is going to go up here. I think price is going to go up on the super short term. Yeah, maybe a little pullback. Maybe this is the pullback. But I think overall it's looking to the upside. Take a look at the hourly. Nice VWAP wave coming up. Nice little trigger clipping right here. Nice little DBSI switch right there. Green money flow wave is coming down. VWAP coming up. This is what I'm talking about, man. It's you know, during the first 2 weeks of May and prior, it was easy because everything would point in one direction, right? And right now it hasn't been that way. Different time frames show different things, different indications point in different ways. And for that reason, I'm out. Just kidding. For that reason, I am definitely have withdrawn. Am withdrawing profits, and I'm not trading with the amount that I was before. I had to have a little chat with myself. My coffee's ready. I'll be right back. Alrighty. I use patterns. I am, you know, I don't like labels. I think it's, first off, I think it's stupid to, like, if I said if you're a pattern trader, you're basically saying that you don't look at anything else, you only use patterns. I think that's foolish, right? Remember, be like water. Be like water. Bruce Lee never said he's jujitsu, he's Shanghai, he's karate, he's Bruce Lee. He is all encompassing. All encompassing. I refuse. In fact, anyone who's been a fan and a subscriber to this channel know that I love patterns. In fact, I was the first one to officially peg the statement that Bitcoin selects special patterns. It makes its own patterns and repeats them on all time frames for, you know, a month or 2 months. I love patterns. Yeah, I'm long right now. I'm long on ETH from 27.29. Let's take a look, see here. Yeah, me likey Bitcoin. Although I tell you what, I haven't been making shit with Bitcoin as far as trading. I've been making like a fifth from Bitcoin as I have with ETH. So that looks good. You know, in these volatile times, definitely as far as trading, certainly looking at these smaller time frames. A little more scalpy, a little more Ralphie, less Michael Saylor holding. You know, to the people saying, oh, people who sold are going to regret. People who sold, listen, well, it depends when you sell, right? If I can buy back in with everything I sold and I'm up over your diamond hands, 26%. I gained 26% for your diamond hands, not having diamond hands. Okay, so we're on the out. Let's see what else we got going on. 45-minute. Money flow wave down. This money flow wave is what tricked me on the last trade. I don't want to say it tricked me because I was in profit, but according to the fucking pencil next, apparently, if I only make $10,000, might as well have lost $200,000. But we had a good time. $30-minute, a little choppy. DBSI looks good. She's a little choppy, She's like right here, like on the 25-minute, man. I'm not seeing shit besides that green dot, baby. That's everything else is kind of like, all right. Nothing's really jumping at me in excitement. Nothing's really jumping at me, Let's take a look at ETH. Hang on, sorry, I gotta take a phone call. 1 second. Alrighty, sorry about that. Dude, listen to this. I had to get insurance on a couple properties today. And I called a very, very well-known insurance company. And their systems apparently all day today have been going down, up and down, up and down, and they said they couldn't sell me insurance because their systems keep fucking going down today. And it makes me paranoid that just more that they're all getting hacked and infiltrated, and our information is just going out to everyone. Short on insurance? Is Geico traded? Is no, it's not listed on here, man. No, they're not. Oh, it's part of Berkshire Hathaway. Ah, Charlie. We'll come back to ETH. Let's take a look at Charlie. Charlie. Man, some of these stocks, man, they are boring and they take forever to play out compared to crypto. Fucking spoiled. All right, Charlie looks boring as hell. Let's go back to ETH. Okay, what were we looking at here? All right, so we're on the 2 hour. Let's back up a little bit here. Same thing with ETH that it was on Bitcoin, the 4 hour. Very nice and smooth. Very nice and smooth curvature to the upside. You know, it doesn't have the four X's, but I tell you what, you know what we say, the first two X's are always the strongest. Those printed to dump, and then there was the two X's, and then boom, she pumped. She dumped and then pumped. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look what's happening now. What's happening now? You know, I can't handle this song right now. I can't hear myself think. You know, like I don't know how some people work or play video games with music on, because I get lost in the sauce. If I'm streaming a live trade, then that gives me content I can talk about. But like I can never do homework. I can't do shit with music on. Overall here on the 2 hour. Yeah, the money flow coming up, things coming up there. Yeah. She's volatile. Beautiful trigger waves on the 1 hour. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm long on ETH right now. I'm long ETH right now. But she's swingy. She's swingy. On this last trigger wave down here, man, she still swung 5% before moving up. VWAP to the upside. Yep. I'm long on ETH, long on ETH. Where to take profit? Me don't know. Me don't know. I would have 2 Ethereum trades. One maybe for longer term. One shorter term. Leverage. I'm telling you, leverage is very dangerous right now. Super, super dangerous. Super, super dangerous. It's almost like it's been so up and down that you're better off just taking profits when it goes up or down, whatever is the direction of your trade, because it'll go back there again. Right now I'm $86,000, 32 ETH off my ETH trade. Money flow decreasing. By the way, I am going on BitBoy's Around the Blockchain show on the 2nd, which I believe is Wednesday, next Wednesday. I really like that show. Some episodes are better than others. Because of the guests and sometimes, you know, what's going on during the day. There's some episodes that are really good. And some that are okay. So hopefully the day when I go on is a day where I can be good. I got to make sure I sleep and I shower. Is that a fart? No, I don't know what sound. When I fart, I make it known. Take a look at the 10-minute. I think I am going to take some profit. You know, I'm going to heed my own words. I'm in 3,608,622 long on ETH. I'm going to take 25%. I got to do it on my phone. What do you mean I sold out, bro? What are you talking about? Sold out to who? Sold out to what? You don't see any. I don't monetize. I don't even monetize my channel. I don't make you guys watch commercials. I don't take any paid advertising. You know how many exchanges and shit hit me up and The ads that would be on this channel are the most paying ads. I didn't sell out to nobody, dude. What are you talking? How much did I sell? Did I sell 25? Okay, I sold 25%. I like this trigger wave. It's higher than this one. Am I muted? No. Okay. Yeah. I like the hourly right now. The other time frames, these lower time frames are harder to read, but the momentum, the momentum waves are really what's kind of giving me plays. I understand, Igor. I understand your frustration. My entry on ETH was 27.29 and 41 cents. And for those of you who don't know, I will have to leave soon. I don't know how long. My friend is at the dentist, and they're getting all kinds of shit. They got cavities. They're getting some shit done to their teeth. They're getting gassed, and so I gotta go and pick them up. I don't know if it'll be soon or if it'll be an hour. Yeah, I like the 1 hour. Let's take a look at Bitcoin again. A weakening DBSI to the downside. That's okay. Yeah. Yeah. The bear strength weakening. Subject for reversal. So, what's my Bitcoin entry? Let me see here. That's a shitty entry. 38,816.50. Alrighty. Well, what can we get out of this here? 38. We're frozen. Hello. Hello. What the fuck? Okay, are we back? What the hell's going on? Can you guys hear me? Okay. Had a little Technical difficulties there. Close some shit. Okay, let's take a look. See here. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I'm long. I'm long. Now, also on the video that hopefully uploads. Did it upload yet? I wonder if my video uploaded. Let's see. That's why I'm streaming, because I did a video and it's been struggling to upload. Nope, hasn't uploaded yet. You son of a gun. So the stuff going on here with TradingView, it's a real foot in the ass. Here's what's going on. Here, the update so far is they are allowing us 100 people, and once we sign up 100 people, whether it takes an hour or a year, there is a 24-hour lockout period, and then it resets. So it's not 100 per day. It's when 100 people get market cipher, there's 24 hours where we can't do shit. We can't change your fucking usernames. We can't. So it's been a customer service nightmare, and TradingView in the past few months has been getting millions of people to sign up. They're figuring out, they're calculating their data usage and whatnot. I think they got a little scared for whatever reason. And no, upgrades don't count. The upgrades don't count. Upgrades are fine. So in a couple days, we're going to message them again and ask for another increase. At first, it was 25. We were only allowed to do 25 people. They gave us an increase to 100. And in a few days, we'll ask them again. And hopefully they can just... I wish they would just ask... I wish we could pay for just... Can we pay you? I hear you guys. You know, I can't just make my own TradingView. That you're talking about a very large undertaking, and payroll, hiring people, having people do it. It's not that simple. I hear you. I hear you. Why can't we draw spider lines on Eve? Well, because it doesn't look like this. I'm able to do it on Bitcoin because these are important points, and I just lay it on one point, and it works. With Ethereum, well, it don't give us that much. I mean, maybe we can try from here. You know, like you know, it just ain't the same. I mean, some people have claimed. Some people have claimed that they make their own spider lines with ETH, but it ain't the same. That's pretty cool though. Shit, it came right up to it. Maybe we can try with maybe standard candles. There's just not as many options, you know. I'm sure that we can get if we can try standard candles as well, maybe get a few, but it just it ain't like Bitcoin, just the way it's set up. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. What do you mean you saw Charles Schwab using the spider lines on YouTube yesterday? No, you didn't. Where? Do they have a YouTube channel? Were they doing it on Bitcoin? Alright, whatever. You guys are fucking with me. Okay. Anywho. Yeah, you know, listen, you can. I'm sure you can. And I'm sure it'll line up. It's this fucking phone. I'm tired of this phone listening to me. Thank you. I hope all is well with you as well. Well, I tell you what, how about that 200 day with ETH, man? She came right down to that puppy. Right down to that puppy. What's going on with gold? How's our gold doing? This is where we longed gold. Currently up 10%. See how long that took? This took 60 days for 10%. I think if gold actually broke 2,000, I would be very surprised. If it truly broke over 2,000, top 3 banks, 3 entities control 70% of the gold trading, and they own too much. There's not enough buyers. That's why in the past year, you couldn't buy gold. It's been sold out 3 times, but the price wouldn't move because they just have too much. There's not enough of the normal folk money to buy it up. So I think gold might be stuck. I think gold might be... Oh, never mind. Take a look at our oil. Our oil positions, on the other hand, we got in November at the bottom, have gone up 70%. Doge, let's take a look at it. Yikes. Scary little momentum wave there to the downside. VWAP to the downside on the 6 hour. The daily looks okay. Hour looks okay, I guess, although it has a couple momentum waves to the downside. 2 hours certainly looks better with money flows increasing, RSI's increasing. All the crypto shit's the same. It's all the same. All the same. Yeah. Yep. I am long on ETH. The 2 hour looks good. VWAP coming up. Money flow coming up. RSI is coming up. Still oversold. I am long on ETH. Hex. Dude. I almost sold some Hex. And I ended up not doing it, and she's back at she didn't move that much. It went down like 20% when everything else was dying, and it's back up to where it was. So I've officially 3x'd my Hex. Still in the position. We're still holding. I'm long from ETH. I'm long from 27.29 and 41 cents. 27.29 and 41 cents. No, I don't stake because I don't know how. Finding out it took me a long time to even find where my Hex was, because I bought some, which was a bitch to do, and then like months and months later I couldn't figure out where the hell it was. And then when I found out it was on MetaMask, you could use MetaMask. That was huge. So I don't want to stake. I don't know how to stake. I haven't got any of the free tokens. I don't do airdrops. I don't know how to do all that shit. Yep. Yep. Bitcoin, I'm long at 38,816 and 50 cents. 38,816. I'm at a profit of about $2,000 on that one, or $700. Sold 25% of my Ethereum position. I'm at 74,000 on that one. Can I look at Matic? Sure. Holy cannoli. steep wave coming to the upside. I mean, it's all the same. Lower time frames, can't tell what the fuck's going on. The hourly is about as low as I can go to get some type of something. Yeah, no idea what the fuck's going on these lower time frames. Yeah, these lower time frames, no idea what the hell's going on. Okay. All right, folks. I gotta bounce. Selling may walk away. You damn right, baby. You damn right. Boy, we called that shit. All right, folks. I gotta get going. I gotta go pick up my friend. And, maybe I'll be back a little bit later. Peace.